This right here is a three-way switch for Honda Beat Headlight version 2, and this is the old switch I have. So this right here has the off, low beam, and the high beam options, so that's why it's called three-way switch. And I'm gonna show you guys how I installed it, so let's get started. We'll start by removing the screw here, another screw here, and another one at the front right here. And there are only 3 screws that needs to be removed. And after that, once we remove the cover, there will be another 2 screws that you have to remove in there. Alright, so after you're done removing the screws, and let me show you, I actually removed this panel here because we need to insert the screwdriver to be able to remove the screw at the front. Then remove the side mirrors and the top cover here. It's actually easy to remove. Just use your hand. Okay, that's good. And this one, you have to fully remove this so that we can remove the 2 screws, this one and another one here. Alright, so after that you can just go ahead with removing the connector of the switch. Alright, it's removed. Then remove the switch itself and we'll install the new one, which is the three-way switch, this one. You just connect it like that. It will just automatically latch for you. And make sure the hook is properly hooked into the groove of the connector. And then just put in the cover of the connector. Alright, that's good to go. And make sure to test the switch before you put all the covers back. The headlight is off, so low beam and then high beam. Alright, as you can see on the side here, the light for the high beam indicator is turned on. Once you put it in the low beam, it turns off. Alright, that's it.